Web 3.0, the next version of the internet, is set to transform digital marketing. Web 3.0, which is based on blockchain technology and incorporates AI and intelligent systems, will have a significant influence on how marketers access customers and offer necessary details. In this video, we will look at 5 ways that Web 3.0 will affect digital marketing. But first, let's take a look at what the future holds for Web 3.0 and what we should be focusing on. So what is the future of Web 3.0? Nearly every single industry, from retail and e-commerce to media and entertainment, healthcare, technology, and energy, is forecasted to use Web 3.0 and blockchain technology in their daily operations over the next decade. Web 3.0 is largely dependent on the blockchain, yet it is not entirely reliant on cryptocurrencies. It is only because of cryptocurrencies that blockchain technology has advanced. Various studies predict that Web 3.0 technology will soon reach a tipping point, and sectors ranging from airplane maintenance to food safety will tokenize their apps. Blockchain has been a proven technology that has taken crypto and NFT security to the next level. And it is now set to revolutionize the next era of digital marketing. In short, the Web 3.0 blockchain will drastically disrupt current traditional workflows and marketing techniques. According to Market Research Future, the Web 3.0 and blockchain technology sector will be valued at more than $6 trillion through 2023. From 2023 to 2030, Web 3.0 will climb at a rate of 44.6%. As a result, it will be one of the fastest expanding sectors during the next decade. That's enough for the future of Web 3.0. Now, without further ado, let's look at the 5 ways that Web 3.0 will disrupt digital marketing. The first and most crucial approach is that data and privacy are now part of Web 3.0. The decentralized structure of Web 3.0 will result in enhanced data security, with individuals having more control over their data and the option to grant organizations permission to use it. Web 3.0, on the other hand, may introduce stronger restrictions and regulations for data collection and usage, perhaps making it more difficult for businesses to freely acquire personal data. This may appear to be a blow for marketers. But restoring customer control would boost trust and personalization in the long run. In recent years, we have observed a shift in customer attitudes towards big tech gathering data and exploitation. However, Web 3.0 promises to fix this problem by reversing the plot and shifting the authority. Similar to the preceding point, the second way is through tough data privacy standards. This implies that the simplicity with which user data could be accessed and utilized in the future would be limited. Marketers may also look to other data collection strategies. Before collecting and utilizing personal data, businesses may need to obtain explicit consent from users. In order to comply with data protection, social media networks may be compelled to reconsider their business models, offering chances for smaller counterparts. Thirdly, there's going to be improved personalized. With the elimination of third-party cookies, precise targeting in Web 3.0 will be essential for delivering personalized content. Companies will be able to target customers based on their online activities, interests, and habits as directly shared by the consumers. With all of the factors mentioned prior, it may appear that the marketing business would perform badly in the future. However, we can conclude that user personalization and marketing effectiveness will improve, because the data shared would be verified and more accurate than before. This would eventually result in a higher ROI for both companies and marketers. The fourth way through which Web 3.0 would change the marketing sector is by content freedom and reach. The decentralization of Web 3.0 will enable digital marketers to avoid social media algorithms and reach consumers directly via their own websites and blogs. They will be able to tailor their content to specific audiences without being bound by algorithms or ad limitations. This would gradually shift the emphasis to quality above quantity. The better and more valuable your product, the higher you will rank among your competition. Although the idea of quantity cannot be fully eliminated, the emphasis would switch to quality. And the last way is through better user experience. Web 3.0 will provide greater control over data privacy and security while also enabling a more tailored user experience. As a result, the total online user experience will rise, and the digital marketing sector will evolve. This indicates that when users have the ability to select the product that benefits them the most, they will have a better experience and will be more loyal to the brand. For marketers, this means putting greater effort into improving their products and understanding more about their target customers. We hope you liked this video. Be sure to subscribe for more great content.